25 health and nutrition tips that are actually evidence-based. Here are 27 health and nutrition tips that are actually based on good science. 1. Don't drink sugar's calories. This is because liquid sugar calories don't get registered by the brain in the same way as calories from solid foods. For this reason, when you drink soda, you end up eating more total calories. 2. Eat nuts. Despite being high in fat, nuts are incredibly nutritious and healthy. They are loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, fiber, and various other nutrients. Additionally, about 10 and 15 of the calories in nuts aren't even absorbed into the body, and some evidence suggests that they can boost metabolism. 3. Avoid processed junk food. Eat real food instead. These foods have been engineered to be hyper rewarding, so they trick your brains into eating more than we need, even leading to addiction in some people. They are also low in fiber, protein, and micronutrients, empty calories, but high in unhealthy ingredients like added sugar and refined grains. 4. Don't fear coffee. Coffee has been unfairly demonized. The truth is that it's actually very healthy. Coffee is high in antioxidants, and studies show that coffee drinkers live longer and have a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, and numerous other diseases. 5. Eat fatty fish. Pretty much everyone agrees that fish is healthy. This is particularly true of fatty fish, like salmon, which is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and various other nutrients. 6. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, throw your appetite hormones out of whack, and reduce your physical and mental performance. What's more is one of the strongest individual risk factors for future weight gain and obesity. One study showed that short sleep was linked into 89 increasing risks of obesity children and 55 in adults. 7. Take care of your gut health with probiotics and fiber. The gut bugs are incredibly important for all sorts of health-related aspects. A description in the gut bacteria linked to some of the world's most serious chronic diseases, including obesity. 8. Drink some water, especially before meals. One important factor is that it can help boost the amount of calories you burn. According to studies, can boost metabolism by 24-30 over a period of 1.5 hours. This can amount to 96 additional calories burned if you drink 2 liters of water per day. 9. Don't overcook or you burn your meat. Meat can be a nutritious and healthy part of the diet. It is very high in protein and contains various important nutrients. The problems occur when meat is overcooked and burned. This can lead to the formation of harmful compounds that raise the risk of cancer. 10. Avoid bright lights before sleep. When we expose to bright lights in the evening, this disrupts production of the sleep hormone melatonin. 11. Take vitamin D3 if you don't get much sun. If adequate sun exposure is not an option for you, the supplementing with vitamin D has been shown to the numerous benefits for health. This includes improved bone health, increased strength, reduced symptoms of depression, and a lower risk of cancer. To name a few, vitamin D may also help you to live longer. 22. Eat vegetables and fruits. Vegetables and fruits are the default health foods, and for good reason. They are loaded with prebiotic fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other sorts of antioxidants, some of which have protein biological effects. 13. Make sure to eat enough protein. A high protein intake can boost metabolism significantly, while making you feel so full that you automatically eat fewer calories. It can also cut cravings and reduce the desire for late night snacking. Eating plenty of protein has also been shown to lower blood sugar and blood pressure levels. 14. Do some cardio or just walk more. Doing aerobic exercise of cardio is one of the best things you can do for your mental and physical health. It is particularly effective at reducing belly fat, the harmful type of fat that you build up around your organs. Reduced belly fat should lead to major improvements in metabolic health. 15. Don't smoke or no drugs, and only drink in moderation. If you're a tobacco smoker or abuse drugs, then diet and exercise are the less of your worries. Take those prime fits. If you choose to include alcohol in your life, then do so in moderation only, and consider avoiding it completely if you have alcoholic tendencies. 16. Use extra virgin olive oil. It is loaded with the heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that can fight inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil leads to many beneficial effects on heart health, and people who consume olive oil have a much lower risk of dying from heart attacks and strokes. 17. Minimize your intake of added sugars. A high intake of added sugars is linked to numerous diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and many forms of cancer. 18. Don't eat a lot of refined carbohydrates. Refined carbs have been highly processed and have had all the fiber removed from them. They are low in nutrients and high calories, and can be extremely harmful. Studies show that refined carbohydrates are linked to overeating and numerous metabolic diseases. 19. Don't fear saturated fat. It is true that saturated fat raises cholesterol, but it also raises HDL, the good cholesterol, and changes the LDL from small to large, which is linking to a lower risk of heart disease. 20. Lift heavy things. Lifting weights is one of the best things you can do to strengthen your body and improve your body composition. It also leads massive improvements in metabolic heat, including improving insulin sensitivity. 21. Avoid artificial trans fats. Artificial trans fats are harmful. Man-made fats are strongly linked to inflammation and heart disease. 22. Use plenty of herbs and spices. There are many incredibly healthy herbs and spices out there. For example, ginger and turmeric both have a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, leading to various health benefits. 23. Take care of your relationships. The study shows that people who are close with friends and family are healthier and live much longer than those who are not. 24. Track your food intake every now and then. The only way to know exactly what you are eating is to weigh your foods and use a nutrition tracker like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer. This is important to know how many calories you are eating. It's also essential to make sure that you're getting enough protein, fiber, and micronutrients. 25. If you have excess belly fat, get rid of it. It is mostly the fat in your abdominal cavity, the belly fat, that causes problems. This fat builds up around the organs and is strongly linked to metabolic disease. For this reason, your watches may be much stronger marker for your healthy than the number of the scale. 16. Don't go a diet. Instead of going on a diet, try adopting a healthy lifestyle. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it. Weight loss should follow a natural side effect of better food choice and improving metabolic health. 2017. 27. Eat eggs and don't throw away the yolk. Whole or eggs are so nutritious that they are often referred to as naturous multivitamin. It is a myth that eggs are bad for you because of the cholesterol. A study shows that they have no effect on blood cholesterol in the majority of people.